Hello everyone, we are Group 6 from Timsat College, Dagupan Campus, Bismarck, second year Bravo. And I'm Jin Cadet Ayap.
I'm Engine Cadet De La Cruz. I'm Engine Cadet Kawili.
I'm Engine Cadet Tigre. And today, we'll discuss the claims of Philippines in South China Sea with back historical or legal foundation or their claims. We'll also discuss the Spratly Island in the bodies of water being claimed by the Philippines. Philippine claims in South China Sea. The Philippines asserts its claim to a substantial area, the South China Sea, encompassing the Spratly Island and Scarborough Shoal, West Philippine Sea, based on historical use, geographical location, and international legal principles. The Philippines claim to the significant portions of the South China Sea, including the Spratly Islands and Scarborough Shoal, the West Philippine Sea, rests on historical fishing rights, geographical proximity, and interpretation of UNCLOS. This claims is heavily contested, particularly by China's expensive non-dash lines claim leading to ongoing disputes with several other nations. A 2016 arbitration ruling largely supported the Philippines' position under UNCLOS, but this remains highly contested and unstoppable situations.
Historical basis. The Philippines uses historical records of Filipino fishing activity and colonial era maps to support its claims. True interpretation of this evidence is highly debated. The Philippines bases its South China Sea claims, particularly regarding the Spratly Islands in Scarborough Shoal, on historical Filipino fishing activity in its Spanish-era maps. However, the interpretation and the validity of this historical evidence are earnestly debated. While the Philippines argues generations of fishing established a continuous presence of justifying territorial rights. Proving this across such a vast area is challenging due to limited comprehensive historical records. Similarly, Spanish-era maps, true presented as evidence, are contested due to their potential inaccuracies, ambiguous purpose of the navigational and creation under colonial rule, raising questions of their relevance to modern sovereignty claims. This differing interpretation highlights the difficulties in using historical evidence to establish territorial claims under international law, underscoring the need for alternative dispute resolution methods in the South China Sea.
The Philippine South China Sea claims encompassing the Spratly Islands and Scarborough Shoal are primarily based on UNCLOS, which define Exclusive Economic Zone or EEZ and continental shelves. The Philippines argues its Exclusive Economic Zone, also called EEZ, determined using archipelagic baseline, includes this area. The Scarborough Shoal, also known as Bajo de Masinloc, is 124 nautical miles from Subic, Zambales and the Spratly Islands. A 2016 UNCLOS-based arbitration ruling largely supported this interpretation, rejecting China's 9-dash line. China 9-dash line claimed an action in the Spratly Island and Scarborough Shoal as violating the UNCLOS. As you can see in this map, the China 9-dash line claims the Spratly Island and Scarborough Shoal. Although China refused to accept the ruling, it provides a strong legal foundation for the Philippines' claims and highlights the importance and the challenge of enforcing international law in maritime dispute. I will discuss the legal foundation. The Philippines' claims are founded on the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea, also known as UNCLOS. Asserting its Exclusive Economic Zone or EEZ includes a large part of the South China Sea, encompassing the Spratly Islands,
Scarborough Shoal. A 2016 arbitration ruling largest Gordon, this rule not universally accepted.
Contested claims. China's extensive claims marked by the nine-dash line directly opposed in the Philippines, resulting in numerous maritime conflicts and diplomatic tensions. Vietnam, Malaysia, and Taiwan also have competing claims in the region. The South China Sea's intense geographical competition stems from overlapping theoretical claims primarily fueled by China's expansive nine-dash line, which is not internationally recognized. This directly conflicts with the Philippines' claims based on UNCLOS and geographical proximity, leading to frequent confrontations. Vietnam, Malaysia, and Taiwan also have competing claims, creating a complex web of potential flashpoints. The lack of a peaceful solution poses significant risks to regional stability and the international rule-based order, emphasizing the need for international cooperation and addresses to UNCLOS.
The Spratly Island dispute. The Spratly Island, a cluster of over 100 small islands, reef encased in the South China Sea, hold strategic importance due to their location near major shipping lines and potential reserves of oil, natural gas, and other resources. The Spratly Islands are strategically located archipelago in the South China Sea, are a major geopolitical aspect due to the overlapping territorial claims by Brunei, China, Malaysia, the Philippines, Taiwan, and the Vietnam. Their strategic position, potential oil and gas reserve, and rich fishing grounds fuel intense competition. The lack of clear historical precedents and ambiguous maritime boundaries exacerbate and disputes.
Philippines claiming a substantial part of the Spratly Islands, its West Philippine Sea, bases its claims on proximity and historical use. However, this claim is disputed by China, Vietnam, Malaysia, and Taiwan. The Philippines maintains a presence of several islands, including the strategically important Pag-asa Island or Tito Island, which features an airstrip. The Philippines claims a substantial portion of the Spratly Island. It designated by or West Philippine Sea based on proximity and historical fishing rights. However, this claim is heavily contested by China, Vietnam, Malaysia, and Taiwan, creating a volatile geopolitical situation. China's nine-dash line significantly overlapped the Philippine claims, and the presence of potential resources in strategic shipping lanes intensifies the dispute. While the 2016 arbitration ruling supported the Philippines, China's refusal to accept it leaves in the issue unresolved and highlights the difficulties of resolving South China Sea disputes.
The next is balance of water. The Philippines claims to its exclusive economic zone or EEZ in the South China Sea. Includes the water surrounding the Spratly Islands and other features, crucial for fishing and potentially rich in resources. The Philippines' West Philippine Sea claim encompasses a significant portion in the South China Sea, crucial for its fishing grounds and potential oil and gas reserves. This claim, however, is firstly contested by China, leading to ongoing diplomatic tension and maritime confrontation. Despite a 2016 arbitration ruling supporting the Philippines, China's rejection underscored the challenge of resolving South China Sea. Despite a 2016 arbitration ruling supporting the Philippines, China's rejection underscored the challenges of resolving South China Sea dispute and maintaining regional stability through international cooperation and adherence to international law.
Ongoing tensions on Spratly Islands. The Spratly Islands are a major source of regional tension due to the conflicting claims. particularly between China and the Philippines, resulting in frequent maritime confrontations. The Philippines has actively pursued legal means, including international arbitration, to defend its position. The Spratly Islands dispute, fueled by China's expansive, legally dubious nine-dash line, claims a major source of South China Sea tension. China's assertive actions, including land reclamation and military buildup, are viewed as destabilizing by Philippines and other claimant states. While a 2016 arbitration ruling favored the Philippines, China's rejection continues to scale tensions. The unresolved dispute poses a significant threat to regional stability and the international rule-based order, highlighting the need for international cooperation and adherence to international law.
And let's conclude our presentation. Thank you for listening and watching.